Alright, it's about 8:20 in the morning. We're gonna go pick up Rocco from LAX, taking Mom's SUV. I don't know. It's the garbage day. It's Tuesday, April 18th, 2017. We're about to go right now. Yeah. So we have it all set up for him when he comes. Got his water, his bowl, little harness and leash, and of course his bed. All in the car. I'm gonna be in the back seat with him.
Yeah, I mean, some of them I can, and I'm okay.
I'm trying to get some new glasses out here.
Well, stronger.
If you don't drive right here.
Then where am I going to go after?
You're gonna make a U-turn.
32, yeah.
Yeah, because we're at 6,000 right now.
At the United Pet Safe Cargo. Gonna go pick him up.
And so the person who's gonna pick it up, I have Christy.
Wait, his cage opening. Oh, come on.
It's 562 with 6 cents.
Go.
Do you know,
He's already biting it.